Welcome to a tutorial on the rule of tajweed known as Ghunna. Coming up, we have the whole rule of Ghunna explained in 5 easy steps. Whenever you approach any rule in tajweed, you want to know the name. In this case, it's Ghunna, and in Arabic, as you saw before, it looks like so. The next thing you need to know is which letters are involved. A little disclaimer is that in this video we are just looking at 2 cases in which Ghunna applies. There are of course other rules in which Ghunna does apply, but for the purpose of this video, the 2 letters of Ghunna are Noon and Meem. And if you want to see some real examples from the Quran itself, then stick around till the end of the video, but more of that later. Now you don't just apply Ghunna to every old Noon and Meem that comes along. So what is required for the Ghunna rule to apply to these 2 letters? Well, simply, it is for a Noon to have a shadda or a Meem to have a shadda. And I'm sure by now you are all wondering what you actually have to do when Ghunna applies. Ghunna is to hum the sound of the letter, as in or for the length of 2 haraka. 1 haraka being a simple fatha or zabar like a, and 2 being a. If you like this tutorial, why don't you go ahead and try out the quiz that I've prepared especially designed to test beginners in Ghunna, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Be sure to drop a comment in the comment section below so I know what you all thought of it. And now onto some real examples of Ghunna within the Quran. First we look at Ghunna applied to the Noon. A really common example of this is inna. Another example of this is amanna. And finally we look at examples of meem with a shadda. How many times have you read thumma in the Quran? Or perhaps mimma? Why don't you all have a go at reading the Quran and trying to spot your own examples of Ghunna? See you all in the next one.